to the Special Committee on Food Security.
House Bill 4938, creating the Health Emergency Auxiliary Reinforcement Team under the DOH, by Representative Cruz Agatha Paula.
To the Committee on Health.
House Bill 4939, providing for protection of the remittances of overseas Filipino workers, by Representative Cruz Agatha Paula.
To the Committee on Overseas Workers Affairs.
House Bill 4940, enhancing the medical access of OFWs and their families by strengthening the OFW hospital, by Representative Cruz Agatha Paula.
To the Committee on Health.
House Bill 4941, establishing a national framework for basic life skills education in the secondary level, by Representative Cruz Agatha Paula.
To the Committee on Basic Education and Culture.
House Bill 4942, institutionalizing a modernized zip code system, by Representative Cruz Agatha Paula.
To the Committee on Government Enterprises and Privatization.
House Bill 4943, strengthening the institutional independence of the Commission on Elections, by Representative Cruz Agatha Paula.
To the Committee on Suffrage and Electoral Reform.
House Bill 4944, declaring July 12 of every year as National West Philippine Sea Victory Day in commemoration of the Philippines' triumph before the Permanent Court of Arbitration, by Representative Cruz Agatha Paula.
To the Committee on Revision of Law.
House Bill 4945, institutionalizing absolute divorce in the Philippines on the grounds of abuse, infidelity, and serious criminal acts, by Representative Barzaga.
To the Committee on Population and Family Relations.
House Bill 4946, strengthening the Commission on Human Rights as a national human rights institution, by Representative Defensor.
To the Committee on Human Rights.
House Bill 4947, declaring the residence of Gat Francisco Balagtas Baltazar, located in Panginay, Balagtas, Bulacan, as a historical and tourism site, by Representative Cruz Agatha Paula.
To the Committee on Tourism.
House Bill 4948, preserving the indigenous games of the Philippines, by Representative Cruz Agatha Paula.
To the Committee on Youth and Sports Development.
House Bill 4949, strengthening the mental health services of state universities and colleges, by Representative Cruz Agatha Paula.
To the Committee on Higher and Technical Education.
House Bill 4950, providing for the construction of a bridge or undersea tunnel linking the province of Southern Leyte and province of Surigao del Norte, by Representative Libanan.
To the Committee on Public Works and Highways.
House Bill 4951, dividing Barangay 178 in the city of Caloocan into 4 separate and independent barangays to be known as Barangay 1